Your Manhattan renovation can become easily turned into a high-stakes hostage situation. Most property owners think that once they buy an apartment and hire a contractor, they are completely in control. The reality is your entire multi-million-dollar project can be legally paralyzed by someone you've never even met. It only takes one single neighbor refusing to grant access to your crew. In high-end New York City buildings, if your renovation requires protection plans, scaffolding, or utility tie-ins that touch or cross an adjacent property line, you legally cannot proceed without their explicit permission. If they shut their door, your timeline completely stalls before demolition even starts. Now your project can stall before the real work even begins. In NYC, this is where renovation turns into negotiation. Access agreements, board pressure, protection requirements, deadlines, legal coordination. That luxury renovation you planned can become a battlefield of approvals before a hammer even swings. At Corniel Construction, we don't just build. We help coordinate the building logistics, licensed professionals' attorneys, when needed, supers boards and protection plans so the project can move forward the right way. This is real Manhattan renovation life. Corniel Construction LLC, Manhattan and NYC Renovations, DM Plan.